cool Amazon gadgets you need for your home. This device is a wireless item tracker. You simply stick the color-coded receivers on your gadgets and press the button on the receiver when you lose them. It beeps and flashes red so you can find exactly where your items are hiding. It's perfect if you misplace your remote control, keys, or other everyday gadgets. And it even comes with stickers so you can label them.
This 10-in-1 electric spin scrubber goes from handheld up to 54-inch adjustable handle so you never have to bend over to clean floors or bathtubs, and it cuts your cleaning time in half. This adjustable electric spin scrubber comes with 8 brush heads that cleans glass and windows, a mop attachment to clean various floor types, a scouring brush for stovetops, a flat brush for sinks and floors, a pointed brush for corners and narrow spaces, and a small cloth for various countertops throughout your home and home appliances.